So make sure you watch this video to the end, or I show you how I made my amazing Sunday dinner without rice. So first, welcome back to Trina's Motivation. So today we're in the kitchen and this is one of my motivation, cooking. So here we are doing our salad. Of course, these are the ingredients that we will need. We need a cabbage, carrots, so whatever vegetable you love, you can go right ahead and place them in. Now, I did just a little extra to the end and you will see. So ensure you don't skip any part of this video. You would not want to miss that amazing aspect of this salad that I had. I did not need any dressing for this salad. It was just amazing. So there the colors are coming together beautifully. So you're going with your lettuce or your cucumber, whatever you want to place in your tossed salad. And I had a little touch of, okay, I don't want to spoil the fun. Make sure you watch to the end of the presentation for the salad. So there we're gonna be going in and showing that these are done small and nice. Once everything is well put together, we place them in our container. Look at that presentation. There we have papaya. So the papaya is there giving it that extra sweetness. I did not have any dressing with mine. So we're going in with our fish. So today we will be having sweet and sour fish. So while our sweet and sour is happening, then while our fish is frying, we're gonna be going in and making our potato salad. You guessed it, I love potato salad. Already cooked, and that's how I do mine. I place a little butter. The butter just give it that extra kick that you need. So you're gonna go in, you're not gonna put too much because you don't want a lot of oil to be on it. So I'm going in with my butter. Can't believe it's not butter. Look, there we have it. We have our onion grated. I ensure to grate it because I don't want the taste of the onion, but the onion does give that flavor. We're going in with our eggs, of course, nicely diced, so we can mix that around. And then our final ingredient is our mayo. And of course, you know, we don't use a lot of mayo around here, just enough to pull everything together. It was just super amazing. So while this is happening, our fish is on the stove and it's frying up a storm. I just can't wait to dive into this exciting menu, this exciting meal. It was just to die for. So continue watching. You want to see how I made my sweet and sour spice, so you want to stick around. So our fish is frying while we're putting our potato salad together. There we have it, the finished product. After this, we're gonna be sauteing our vegetable for the sweet and sour sauce. There we go again, lots of colors, tomato, onion, bell pepper, and we are gonna be going in. And for our sauce today, we use a tip of ketchup and we use a bit of vinegar just to ensure that we have that extra flavor. And you're gonna be going with your pineapples. Now you can use your fresh pineapples from the store, or you could just simply use the tin one that you saw me using here today. So once the sauce is simmered down, then you're gonna go in with your fish until your sauce has a little thickness to it. You don't want it to be too thick. Alright, so this is what it looks like, and there we have the finished product. It was just an amazing dish today. I hope you did like what you see. And if you like what you see, go right ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Leave in the comment section how you do your sweet and sour fish. Today we will be serving it with some nice carrot juice. There we have some fried plantains and a piece of corn. So that's my amazing Sunday dinner today. I really enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed presenting it to you.